This is Tech Geek Week, and today we're doing a very, very exclusive, they're not even out there, unboxing of the new Jaffa cakes. Special price at $1.39. Unboxing. Then if you can see that, you get 12 little cakes in one box. These are just insane. 1 gram fat per cake. That's just insane. By McVitie's, of course. Okay. They've even got their own Facebook page. That reminds me, you can like our Facebook page. This is an intense moment for me. There's there we go. There we have it. The Jaffa cakes are there. There we go. And here's one I prepared earlier. 1 second. Just coming fresh out of the oven. Here's one I prepared earlier. It's amazing how it's called a cake, yet it's stored in the biscuit aisle. There we have it, guys. Just look at that. Look at the inside of that. It's incredible. If you can get
fucking lovely.
If you can get it, guys, get yourselves out there, get to the shops and get yourself a pack of Jaffa.